So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my personal thought and opinion about APVO. Today we're 23% down. I'm going to be talking about this beautiful prediction right here and my new predictions. Before I get into that, I always start the videos with the disclaimer that nothing on the channel constitutes professional and financial advice. Everything is my own opinion and perspective. Now let's get into the video. And actually, I'm going to show you the proof of that for that matter. There we go. This was my yesterday's video about APVO. You're going to see how I predicted this. Very smooth from 4 hours to 3. It's not that big of a percentage, but again, it was a great prediction. Let me just turn this to a better quality because this is shite. Yeah, just like that. So you can see I'm looking at some things just like that. At that moment of time, we were sitting at 464, and I was looking for a little bearish moves to kind of come along from 464. The price was right, yeah, right there, and it fell as much as 294. That's 38% decrease in price. So yeah, definitely a great prediction out there. Now my up-to-date predictions are as following. So I'm definitely still looking for these lows to get cleared. There's a lot of liquidity there and higher time frame were bearish. So looking for those lows to get cleared. Just a big line like this to the downside pointing down. So thanks for watching till the end.